First of all, double click and select this last image. Hit open. Take pen tool. Enable shape option. Now select this first photo frame like this. Right click on this layer and choose to convert to a smart object. Then double click on this layer, go to File, Place Embedded, select this image and hit Place. Adjust the image like this. Now create clipping mask. So hold Alt button and hit between these layers like this. Then go to File and choose Save. Go to our main window and see the result. Let's select the second photo frame with a pen tool like this. Right click on the second shape layer and choose to convert to a smart object. Double click on this layer thumbnail. Go to the file and choose Place Embedded. This time select this fifth image and hit Place. Now adjust this image like this. Hold the Alt button and hit between these layers to create a clipping mask. Then go to the file and hit on Save. Now go to our main window and see the final result.